Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Jabón knot. This is the Spanish word for soap. That's your Spanish word for the day. Let's go ahead and get started. This is going to take 2 ties. It's at the left side. We're going to put in a dimple or pinch. We're going to bring it over to the center. I'm using a fatter tie and a skinnier tie. So you can see the layers. I'm going to come up and over like this. I'm going to come down around like that. I'm going to separate them like that and then bring both around like this, and then both around like this, so you can see both of them, and then bring both around like this, and then bring both down like this. So there we have that. Then I'm going to take the bottom one, which is this red one right here. I'm going to bring it through here. Come across like that, up and over, down like that, tighten that up. Then I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to find a place to put it. We'll put it right there. Now, I don't like that being that loose. So I'm going to bring this through here. I'm going to tighten that up. And we're going to come back over like this. I'm going to put this under here. I'm going to open up this bottom one, and I'm going to put this through here. It'll go like this. Leave that open there on that side. Come around and we'll put both of those back up underneath here like this. Now let's put the collar down. There we have this. This is probably best with a wider collar, I would say. There you have that. So just kind of open it up here a little bit like this. It's not supposed to look like a bar of soap. That's the Spanish word that I am attaching to it. We're going to learn these languages together. Alright, so there you have it. Again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless. If you want to see this picture, go to Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. See you next time for the word of the day on the tie knot. Peace and God bless.